Dear students, after knowing the definition of rational number and definition of irrational number in two ways, and already we have discussed how to convert the given rational number into its decimal expansion, and what are the three types of decimal expansion, that is a terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating and recurring decimal expansion, and the third one is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansion. These are the three types of decimal expansion. Out of these three, the terminating decimal expansions and non-terminating and recurring decimal expansions are rational numbers, and the other one, that is the third one, the non-recurring and non-terminating decimal expansion, is an irrational number. So we can convert these terminating or non-terminating and recurring decimal expansions into its rationalized numbers form, that is P by Q form. So let us discuss some of the questions or problems here. The first one is conversion of, or expression or conversion of terminating. Okay, first we have to take the terminating decimal expansion into P by Q form. P by Q form means it is the rational numbers form. Examples. The first example is 0.7. Here this point or the decimal point is for one digit from the right side. So we have to convert this as 7 by 10. For one decimal, one digit, we have to put 1 and 0, that is 10 in the denominator. If it is 0.07, here we have two digits in the decimal place, that is two digits are there in the right side of the decimal point. So we have to write it as 7 by 100. 7 by 100. If it is 0.387, we have to write it as this is 0 actually, 0.387, then we have to write it as 387 divided by, or 387 upon, or 387 by 1000. Another example, if it is 67.33, then we have to write it as 6733, that is 6733 divided by 2 zeros, because here in decimal place we have two digits, so we have to put 100, that is 100 in the denominator. So this is the method of conversion of the terminating decimal expansions into their P by Q form. So that is the expression of the given decimal expansions in rational numbers form. Then we have the second types of questions. Okay, the second and is conversion of or expression of conversion of non-terminating non-terminating and recurring. Recurring means repeating. Recurring decimal expansions into P by Q form, into P by Q form. That is, here we have to convert the given non-terminating and recurring decimal expansions into P by Q form. Here we have three possibilities. In the first example, let us discuss only one term is repeating or recurring here. For example, express. The question is like this: express 0.6 bar into or in P by Q form. P by Q form. So here 0.6 bar means 6 is a recurring digit here. So let us start like this. Okay, so the solution starts like this. Let take this 0.6 as x or n like that. Okay, x is equal to 0.6 bar. 0.6 bar is nothing but 0.6666 and so on. Take it as equation number 1. As only one digit is recurring here, for a decimal expansion with only one digit is repeating, we have to multiply both sides with 10. So multiply both sides are equation 1 with or by 10. So if it is a single number or only one number is repeating, we have to multiply it with 10. If two digits are or the group of two numbers are repeating, then we have to multiply it with 100. If three digits are repeating or recurring, then we have to multiply it with 1000, like that, so on. So when we multiply this equation number 1 with 10, we will get 10 into x equals 10 into 0.6666 and so on. So what will be the answer? 10 into x means it is 10x. When we multiply the decimal numbers with 10, the decimal point should be shifted to one place right to the right, one place right side of the decimal point. So it is point is here, so it must be shifted to here. So it becomes 6.6666 and so on. Take it as equation number 1. Now look into the decimal part of the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Same, there we have the decimal places have the same numbers. So we can cancel them by subtracting equation number 1. So subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So in equation number 2 we have 10x in the left side minus what is there in the equation number 1, we have x, which is equal to, here we have 6.6666 minus 0.6666 dash 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 here. So the decimal numbers are cancelling here, so only one x is left here. So 10x minus x means it is 9x. 10x minus x means 1x, that is 10x minus 1x is 9x. So x is equal to 6 by 9. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So x is equal to 2 by 3. This is the p by q form of given decimal expansion. Here the given expansion, decimal expansion is having only one repeating term or recurring term, that is in the form of 6 here. So this is the method of expressing the given decimal expansion into its p by q form. This is p by q form. So this is the first example. Let us go for the second one. Express. This is the second possibility. Express 0.27. Here we have the bar mark on both number, that is 27. That means here 27 is repeating. Only 2 or only 7 is not repeating. Here both number, that is group of 27 is repeating in p by q form. P by q form. So start. Solution. Let take the given number as x is equal to 0.27. That means 0 to 27 means 27 is repeating here. So 27, 27, 27 and so on. Take it as equation number 1. As 2 digits are repeating here, we have to multiply the equation number with 100. Multiply equation number 1 with or by 100. So 100 into x is equal to 100 into 0.272727 dash dash dash. When multiply this 100 and x, we will get 100x, which is equal to, here when we multiply the decimal number by 100, the decimal point should be shifted to 2 places right into the right side. Okay, so it becomes 27 by 27.2727 dash dash dash. So this is equation number 2. Now look into the decimal part of the equation number 1 and 2. We have the same digits are repeating. So we can cancel them by subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2. Now I am continuing here. So it is subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So we will get 100x in equation number 2 minus x is there in equation number 1 to the left side, and to the right side we have 27.272727. This is the right hand side term of equation number 2 minus in equation number 1 we have 0.272727 dash dash dash. So when we subtract 27 point at 0.272727 from 27.272727, all the digits in the decimal part is cancelled, so only 27 is left there. 100x minus x means it is 99x. So x is equal to 27 by 99. 27 by 99. So 9 3s are 9 11s are. So x is equal to 3 by 11. X is equal to 3 by 11 is the p by q form of. This is p by q form. That is, the given decimal expansion is converted into its rational numbers form, that is p by q form. Here 2 digits are repeating in the decimal place, so we have to multiply the consider or the assumed equation number 1 by 100, so that we will cancel the all decimal part. Let us move on to the last possibility or the third example. Example is like this. Express express 0.345. Okay, here only 45 contains bar. That means only 4545 is repeating here. 3 is not repeating here in P by Q form. So let us solve this example. Solution. Let x is equal to 0.345. Only 45 contains bar. So x is equal to 0.3 is not repeating here. 3 is a non-repeating term here. Only 45. Again we have 45. Again we have 45. Again we have 45 like this. This is equation number 1. Now look into the decimal part of the given number. Here 3 is not repeating, only 454545 is repeating. So we have to solve this problem in 2 steps. First we have to multiply the equation number 1 from 10. So we will get, let us wait, okay, multiply equation number 1 by 10. So we will get 10 into x, which is equal to 10 into 0.3454545 dash dash dash. So it is 10x, and the decimal point should be shifted to 1 place to the right side. Okay, it becomes 3.454545 like this. Take it as equation number 2. But here, when we are going through the equation number 1 and 2, the decimal parts does not match each other, because in equation number 1, 0.3, 3 is there in the first digit, but in equation number 2, we doesn't have 3 there. So we cannot cancel the decimal part by subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2. So for this purpose, I am going to convert the equation number 2 by multiplying it with 100, because 4, 5, here we are having the 2 digits which is repeating here. So multiply, this is the second step here. Multiply equation number 2, not 1, it is 2, by 100. I am multiplying it with 100 because 4, 5 is repeating. A group of 2 digits are repeating. If it is 3, then we have to multiply it with 1000. If it is 4, then we have to multiply it with 10,000. If it is only one number, then we have to multiply it with 10. So by 100, so it becomes 100 into 10x. 100 into 10x. We are multiplying equation number 2, not 1. So 100 into 3.454545 and so on. So 100 into 10x means it is 1000x. Here 2 digits to the right side, it is shifted. The decimal point should be shifted to 2 places to the right side. So 3 point becomes 345. 345.454545 dash dash dash. This is taken as equation number 3. Now go through the equation number 1, 2, 3. In equation number 1, the first digit is 3, but in equation number 2 it is 4, and in equation number 3 it is 4. So we cannot cancel the decimal part by subtracting equation number 1 from 2 or equation number 1 from 3, but we can cancel the decimal part by subtracting equation number 2 and from equation number 3. So here the next step will be subtract. Subtract equation number 2 from equation number 3. Okay. What is there in equation number 1? 3. It is 1000x. 1000x minus 10x is equal to, in bracket, 345.454545 dash 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 minus, in equation number 2 we have 3.454545 dash dash dash. So 1000x minus 10x is 990x is equal to, we cancel the all decimal parts, so we will have 345 minus 3. 345 minus 3 means it is 342. It is 342. So x is equal to 342 divided by 990. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So both sums are divided by 9. So it is divisible by 9 by divisibility test for 9. So 3. So 9 3s are 27. So we have 7 here, 72. So 9 8s are 72. 9 110s are. Now cancel these numbers by 2. 2 19s are and here we have 255. So x is equal to 19 by 55. 19 by 55. This is the P by Q form of given decimal expansion. This is P by Q form. That is, here we have converted the given decimal expansions into its rational numbers form, that is P by Q. So these are the three different examples. So go through the different examples and complete the activity number 4.